AnythingLLM is a self-hosted application for working with large language models in a structured way. It provides a user interface and backend system that connects language models, document storage, and retrieval mechanisms. Its main purpose is to enable retrieval augmented generation. This means that you can upload documents such as PDFs, text files, or code bases, and the system will index them using embeddings. When you ask a question, AnythingLLM retrieves the most relevant part of those documents and sends them to large language model as context. It supports multiple model providers, including local models through Ollama and remote APIs. This allows flexible deployment depending on available hardware and requirements. AnythingLLM also supports tool usage through custom API integration, allowing the model to interact with external services. While it's not fully autonomous, Agent Framework by default, it can be extended to perform agent-like tasks. It is commonly used in local AI setups where users want full control over data, models, and infrastructure without relying on external cloud services. And that is exactly how we are going to test it. So just click on download for desktop, choose your OS, it's Linux. I'm going to click on download for Linux. By the way, you can deploy it with Docker too, and if you execute these three commands, first you are going to download installer, then you are going to turn installer into executable file, at the end you are going to end up with app image. And let me show you, I already did that. So I have in here AnythingLLM desktop, so I'm going to open my console. Going to transfer this path, and I'm going to extract image with app image extract. Alright, I'm going to close this, and we have this app image extracted. By the way, if you want this application into your application list, use Pinit, that is the easiest way. And now I have AnythingLLM desktop in here. Go to property, make sure that it's executable as program, and I'm going to run it. Alright, so this is not my first run, therefore I don't have that initializing set up. I'm going to show you what you are going to set up in this way. So go to open settings. First, go to LLM. In here you can see that I'm using LM Studio, and I have multiple models downloaded in here. Now, this is one of the issues that I experienced with this service. I tried it with many different models, but from my experience, this Qwen 3.5 with 9 billion parameters works reasonably well. Nemotron 3 Nano, it's also reliable. But with this Mistral Devstral Small 2 and LFM 2, I don't have the best experiences. Gemma 3 also doesn't perform very well with AnythingLLM. And in order to set everything up with LM Studio, of course you have to provide IP address to machine where you are hosting LM Studio. You need this key V1 that stands for version 1, and then you are going to be able to select model. With model context window and authentication token, you don't have to type any, just let these two fields blank. In regards of other providers, let me show you. With Ollama, it's something wrong. I don't know what exactly its problem. Maybe this version is broken in regards of Ollama, but there is definitely something missing. So, if you want to go with local models, stick with LM Studio. Then you can select vector database, and LensDB, it's totally okay. Now, with Embedder, I also used LM Studio, and I'm using this one. Text embedding nomic embed text 1.5. Of course, you have to provide the IP address to your LM Studio. And now text splitter and chunk. This can remain the same, and voice and speech. Basically, there is only one option for this. And you are going to download it first time when you type on microphone. So when you first time install this app and then you open chat, if you click on microphone, this model is going to be downloaded. Now let's get back in here. You can set something like default system prompt, and now agent skills. This is important one. In here you are going to set all of skills that you need for your agent. And as you can see, the only one that I'm not allowing it's generate and save files. You can also use desktop assistant, and you can also have account with AnythingLLM, where you can get this hub API key. Now customization UI preferences for themes and language and so. In tools, you can see that there is also AnythingLLM for mobile. In here you can add another device if you want. And now let's get back to chat. Alright, let me try to ask something. Alright, we have our answer. Now I'm going to upload some documents. I have American Constitution in here in PDF. And now I'm going to make prompt using speech. Please transcribe this document for me and summarize it. And it works perfectly. Now I'm going to create another thread. I'm going to delete this previous one. And now, what about searching the internet? No, it cannot, at least not in this way. In order to use any agentic skills, as you can see in here in tools, agent skills, you see that I have scrap website selected and web search selected. So how I'm going to utilize all of this? Check this @ sign. Now we are going to invoke agent. Please search the web for me. I want to know headlines of CNN. And yes, we have the result. So guys, that's all about AnythingLLM. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!